This is a hybrid plug for a hybrid battery pack. And back in my dealership days, I can't tell you how many times we have to remove this plug in order to work on the hybrid system. But when you do and reinstall it back, all you got to do is place it back in here, turn it, and that's it. But I can't tell you that that's wrong or right. What do you think? You see, back in my dealership days, I can't tell you how many times I've seen techs, including myself, forgetting to push this all the way. See, once you do that, you're closing the circuit and now you have power. But if you don't do that and you just leave it like that, then you're gonna have problems. So make sure you do this, make sure you take it out, but when you place it back in, all you gotta do is just make sure you push it in, and then don't forget to clip it all the way on. And that is it. Now, congratulations on being safe by removing that plug, but make sure when you push it back in, you push it all the way. And that should save yourself from a lot of headaches and a lot of trouble.